What is going on, everybody? All right, let's get it tonight. All right, we're just gonna wait for all the viewers to trickle in here. Wait for everybody to come on in. Got a like on the stream already. Love to see it. Gonna pull up the live dashboard. Live control room. Moon 10x. What's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to the stream tonight. Tonight is the 100K special. We are closing in on 100,000 subscribers. We are currently we are currently 300 away from 100,000. Actually, less than that. We are like 260 away. So closing on that, we might take some looks at Venus tonight, as well as the moon. So yeah, we'll wait for people to get in here. What's going on, Hamster? Hams. I know the name. I know who you are. So, yeah. My sister and my dog are currently playing in the yard, so they'll be screaming, but it's okay. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream tonight. How's everybody doing tonight? Moon's looking really nice. Came from Discord. Sick, dude. Love to see it. All right, tonight we are hunting for planes, transiting the moon, as well as a little bit of Venus. Celeste Trickett, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. Celebrating, yes. Big night. Hopefully gonna hit 100K here soon. Maybe I might hit 100K on stream, which would be pretty crazy. Currently we are 240 away from 100,000 subscribers, which is just a dream come true. So if you know anybody that's interested in space, or you know anybody wants to get interested in space, shoot them the link, and we'll get started here in a minute. Look at all that tonight. How's everybody doing? Okay. Working on that. Gonna pull up our transit. Let's see if there's any planes in the vicinity. And then we can, if there aren't any, we can go look at Venus. Doing good. Linda, what's going on? How you doing? I'm getting my first ever Astro camera soon. Sick, man. Congratulations. Can't see anything from my class. It's cloudy. What's going on, champion? How's everybody doing tonight? How is everybody doing? We got 10 people in here. It's foggy at my location. Hopefully it'll pick up soon. Usually you can beat a little fog. All right, currently no aircraft are aligned with the moon, so in a minute we can take a look at Venus, if you guys want to do that. I feel like I might need to change the title of this live. There's not a lot of people in here right now. Maybe 100K special is the bonus at the end instead of that. Some birds just flew in front of the moon, which is neat. I'm gonna change the title here. We're gonna do tonight's moon live plus 100K subscriber special. Moon. Emojis. I like my emojis. Can't get enough of them. Okay, moon. Gonna drop the moon in there, as well as a plane. Okay. Tonight's moon. Bang. Okay, title change. Almost 3 a.m. for you? Holy moly, dude. You gotta get to bed. I should be hitting 100K subscribers here around maybe like midnight if I'm lucky, if we can get a good stream going in here. What's my favorite thing about the moon? Just the fact that it's always changing. It's never the same, you know? We always here on Earth we always get to see the same side of the moon, but there's always new craters, new angles, new colors, new lunar eclipse, solar eclipse, everything. You can just bring out so much detail from the moon. Chasing better atmospheric conditions, get to see new craters, zooming in on the moon. I mean, the moon is just awesome to look at. That's why I like looking at it so much and doing the live streams. If we get a lot of people in here, or maybe we get enough likes, we got about maybe 20 minutes left of Venus, so we can get some Venus action before Venus sets behind the trees. Yep, lunar eclipse in 3.5-ish days, pretty much. So stay tuned for that, everybody. Do you guys want to look at Venus tonight? Anybody that's in here? Hey, chat, what's going on? Chatish. What's going on? Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. I'm so anxious for my 8-inch Dob. Dude, 8-inch Dob that's an exciting scope. That'll be a nice one to use. We're thinking about going to Venus tonight. Yes, we like that idea. I might experiment with turning monetization on for this stream. I don't know how that works. Choose how you want to monetize your live stream. Pre-roll and display ads are automatically inserted when monetization. I might test this for a little bit, guys, just to see like how it works, because we don't got a lot of people in here tonight, but just to see automatic ads, I guess. We'll test it out. I don't want to go crazy tonight, but we'll test it out. Now it's a pretty chill stream tonight. Frequency, we'll go medium. I'll save that. We'll see how that works. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we'll play it by ear. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Venus tonight, I guess. Gonna hit up Venus here in a second. Okay, here we go, everybody. Gonna put it in the telescope, solar system. Gonna go to Venus. All right, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. And there goes the telescope through the trees. I gotta move myself here. I'm gonna wreck my whole setup. Gotta move my chair. I actually have the telescope set up. I put the tripod legs up so I don't have to be crouched down on the floor anymore. I can actually just sit in my chair properly tonight, which is nice. All right, let's see if we can find Venus here. Let me see what I can do for y'all. Maybe down a bit, down. Oh, there she is. Look at that, guys. There's Venus. Okay, how are we liking Venus tonight, guys? Look at that. That is a planet right there. That is the second planet from the sun, Venus. Let me try and focus it right here. I wish I could dim it for you guys. Oh, wait, focus is right there. Look at that, 50% illuminated tonight, guys. Or I think last time we checked it was at like 41%. But look at that. That is the planet Venus. Second planet from the sun. Hottest planet in the solar system. Look at that, guys. Is that not insane? Let's check the transit finder. See if we have any incoming planes. We might have to slew back to the moon. Nope, we don't have any yet. Oh, it's looking a little fuzzy. Hold on. What is going on? Hold on now. Let's refocus. Let's refocus on Venus here. There we go. Look at that. There's Venus. You can see it's 0.5% illuminated. This is from an eyepiece and the phone. Yes, this is just an eyepiece through a 6-inch telescope and the phone. I wish I could lower the exposure, but on the live on YouTube, but sadly I don't think I can. I was experimenting with different live stream platforms today. I was thinking about hooking up like OBS, and then I can stream to YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram all at once and have like graphics on the screen, and we can do fun things during the stream rather than just put a phone in the telescope, you know. Do you have any shorter focal length eyepieces for planetary? It'd be cool to see Venus closer up. Yes, let me go. I'm thinking here. If we get to 15 likes, we can do. I'll go mess around maybe with some Barlows, and we can look at Venus even closer up, and it might dim it so we can see the disk of the planet. If we get to 15 likes, I'll go look. Because we can add probably a 2 times Barlow. Am I zoomed all the way out? Should be zoomed all the way. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, we'll go see if we can add a 2 times Barlow to this. That'd be so cool. Right now, we're just looking at Venus. Let me check the aircrafts. Nope. No planes in the zone yet. Picked up a streaming. Oh, we have a plane. We have a possible plane. Hold on. We're going back to the moon, everybody. Oh, it's going right at the moon. Hold on. Solar system. Moon. All right, we're going back. We have. I got 170 seconds, guys. Bear with me. All right, bear with me. We could have a possible plane transit coming up. Hold on here. Going back to the moon. All right, where is she at? Oh yeah, there she is. Bang! Oh yeah. Oh, when it just snaps into the correct exposure and everything like that, it's just so awesome to look at. Okay, we might have a possible plane transit. If not, it should be right below it in about T-minus 120 seconds. All right, guys. Oh, we got it, guys. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Holy moly, we got one. I was fixing the audio right there, but we got one. Flew directly in front of the moon. Did you guys see that? Holy crap, we got one. I wish there was able to, I'll have to go back in the stream and clip that. That was at 15 minutes into the stream. Did you guys see that? A plane just flew directly in front of the moon. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Did you guys see that? A plane literally just flew in front of the moon. That was unbelievable. I'm so glad I got that. I feel like tonight's gonna be a good night. We might get a couple more. Genesis, what's going on? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Oh, that was so cool. I'm gonna go watch that back on my computer right now. If you guys want to back it up, feel free, go back it up. We just watched a plane fly in front of the moon. That was insane. "15 minutes into the stream, wasn't it? We're gonna have to go watch that back. Oh, there it is. Let me zoom in on that. All right, guys. Oh, that was so cool. Wow. Will, what's going on? You just missed it. We got an airplane flying in front of the moon. We actually got one tonight. I'm watching it back right now. All right, guys. Oh, that was so cool. Got it, guys. Oh my god. That was awesome. Hopefully we can get another one tonight. Possibly even closer and more bigger angular wise than that one was. That was so cool. What moon is this, Jacob? This is Earth's moon. It's the waxing phase in Earth's moon, heading into the full moon and the lunar eclipse on Thursday night. All right, Tex, I'll see you later. It's 3 a.m. Good night. Have a good night. Hope you get more plane transits. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'll see you later, man. All right, zoom in. Yeah, we'll definitely do that in just a second. Let me fix something on my computer real quick. All right, we're gonna zoom in on some of the craters on the moon. Some new craters. We're gonna go into the terminal line. I love your videos. Hey, I appreciate that. Thank you for watching them. Oh, look at the Terminator line tonight, guys. It's not looking as packed as it would on like a half moon, but we're because the seas. So, but look at that. Look at the view tonight, guys. Whoo! New visible craters tonight, guys. Look at that. Look at that region. That region is just so cool to look at. Hold on, let's get our focus dialed in here. Okay, so that's out. There we go. Look at that tonight, guys. Holy moly. Look at that region right there. There is so much happening just in that little region. Oh, holy moly. Just in that little region on the moon, there's so much happening. I am so stoked that we got a plane transit 15 minutes into stream. Gonna refresh. No more on the way just yet. Yeah, that's what this one's called. Yeah, yep. It's one of the brightest craters on the moon. It is insanely bright, as you can tell. Oh, sorry. That was a United Airlines that flew in front of the moon. That was awesome to catch. I can't believe we got that one. All right, how's subscribers looking? Okay, we're going up, and we lost one, but we're doing good. Doing good, guys. Share the stream with anybody you know. What do we got? 99, 742. We are just 258 subscribers away from 100,000, guys. That is incredible. How do you see the plane transits? I made a website. I made ChatGPT a website. And then I also like use this other website that somebody else made. So I just combined the two. So the one that I was using that isn't mine, it was off by a little bit. So it actually projected that one not to... Oh, we got another one. We got another one. That one says it's actually going to transit the moon in 160 seconds. 160 seconds, guys. We might have another transit on our hands. Let's zoom out. We might be able to catch another plane flying in front of the moon. Okay, we're ready. We are ready. 13 likes in the stream, guys. Let's see if we can get to 15 before we have this transit, which is in 120 seconds. Is that 2 planes? We have 2 coming in? No, we should only have 1. Let me see. I really need to turn that light off at my house. Some people say the moon is fake. I don't know. It's just, we're looking at it. We're looking at it right now. We're hopefully going to catch a plane flying directly in front of the moon. It looks like it's going to fly in front. So I have 90 seconds to go. Turn that light off. That's blinding me. So give me 1 second, guys. Okay, Venus has set behind the horizon, so we are just chasing moon transits now, guys. We are just doing some moon chasing transits. Okay, 15 likes. Let's go, guys. Come on. Doing good, doing good. Okay, we have 55 seconds. Let me pull up flight radar to see what this flight is. It looks to be a... It says there's 2. I don't see 2. It says there's 1 happening in 40 seconds and 1 happening in 56 seconds. Let me check flight radar here in a second. Okay, we got about 30 seconds, guys, till transits. I need to turn my brightness down. Holy crap. Okay, we have 1. Oh, we do have a possible 2. We have possibly 2 transits coming up. Oh, I see one of them. I see one of them. It's going to be at the bottom of the screen, guys. Oh, I think it's just going to miss it. Okay, that one's going to go over top of the moon. But we still have the 1, maybe. Okay, that one missed. That one went over top of the moon. And then we have another one that just went under the moon. Dang, so close, so close. Literally just missed them both. That one, yeah, that one was too far out. Genesis, I appreciate you being a fan, watching the videos. Thanks for coming in the stream tonight. We just missed those 2 transits, guys. So close. One went above. That was like about half a degree above the moon. And then one missed it like completely. 17 likes. Thank you guys for liking the stream tonight. We are currently climbing in subscribers. About 250 left to go until we reach that 100K milestone. Absolute dream of mine. So if you're new to the stream, feel free to drop a subscribe and check out some of the videos I make. All right, we have a possible 1, 2-ish planes possibly coming in here soon. It says there's none aligned right yet, but that doesn't mean they're not going to transit. They just haven't been picked up yet. So maybe there's a possibility we could have 2 more coming in. Feeling the vibe. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you coming in tonight. We already actually got a... I hope you hit 100K sub soon. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. We're closing in on it. We're closing in on this. I've been dreaming of this since I was like 13 years old making videos. So I appreciate everybody that watches the videos. What if I donate $100? I don't. That's out of my control. I wish I could show you more in the sky for $100, but all's right now, all's we got's the moon. and we were grinding for some airplanes to fly in front of the moon. About 10 minutes ago, we actually did see one of them fly in front of the moon, which is cool. If you want to go back in the stream and check that out, it was super cool to watch. A United Airlines plane flew directly at in front of the moon. It was really awesome. Exotic, I love your stream. Hey, I appreciate you coming in the streams and watching the videos. Thank you so much. I love your. I watch your videos. I love it. Awesome. Thank you. Feeling the vibes. I appreciate you coming in the stream tonight. Anybody here? Let's see. What are we gonna do? We're gonna look at the moon tonight. Wait for some transits. We could probably sit out here for another 3 hours. I mean, 3 hour long stream. What do you guys think? Sit out here till midnight, watch the moon, catch some planes maybe. I'll watch you tomorrow. Hey, perfect. If the skies allow, I might actually be doing a lunar eclipse stream as well. So be ready for that. We got 19 likes in the stream so far. Oh, wait, possible plane transit. This one's definitely going to miss it, though. It is very far off. Oh, we have two. We have two coming in. We have two coming in hot. Let me refresh here. Okay, we have one. We have a... What is this? Okay, we have a Delta coming in. We have a Delta flight coming in. Possible transit, guys. Possible transit. What is that plane? Where's that one coming from? Oh, that's a private jet. Dang. Okay, anyway, we possibly might... How much miles is the moon? How many miles is the moon from us? The moon is about... I could tell you the exact number, but it ranges from anywhere from 250,000 up to maybe like 275,000, give or take a couple thousand miles, depending on the cycle and what phase it's in. Yeah, it looks to be that Delta plane is probably gonna miss, but we never know. We never know. Bro, why did I suddenly become so passionate about space? I don't know. Space is awesome. Just look up and you can see so many things. The other night, last night on stream, we were looking for plane transits. And yeah, that plane just flew in front of the moon, or flew under the moon. But yeah, so last night we were looking for plane transits, and I look up and a meteor shoots across above my head. It was really awesome to look. But yeah. You are so close to 100K, bro. Yes, I am. We're a couple hundred subscribers away, actually. It's pretty surreal. You're so close to 100K. Yes, it is. I wish I could have a telescope like you of my own. I would invest in, I don't know, a pair of binoculars. Always does the trick. Binoculars, cheap telescopes. I mean, or just your eyes. I mean, you don't really need a telescope to enjoy space. Why is it morning? You is night. It's nighttime for me. The sun did just set from my location. Yes. I have been with you from 10K. Whoa, 10K subs. I appreciate that. That's early on. Thank you so much for supporting. Yes, but it's scary too. Yeah, space is large. A lot going on in space. I can tell you that. Currently, no airplanes in line with the moon. But I got a feeling that we're going to get some other transits tonight. We already got one tonight. I have almost 8K. Any tips? Best tip I can give you is to stay consistent. Don't stop. Almost 200 subscribers. Yeah, we're like 250 away right now. I just imagine that the sun that give us light can leave us in the darkness. Yet one day, many years from now, the sun will start expanding. I have almost 8K. Any tips on that? Bye. Love your videos and see you tomorrow. Hey, I appreciate you coming in the stream. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit, Genesis. I'll see you later. I was testing the ad thing tonight, guys. Let me know if you guys have gotten any ads. I don't really know how that works. I've been testing it recently. I don't really know. Or I was testing it on this stream. I don't know really how that works. So if you could guys let me know in the chat if you've gotten any ads on the stream. I try not to put a lot on there. I was just fiddling with it, seeing, because there weren't a lot of people here yet today, so just fiddling with it. Okay, hold on. Let me just center the moon up for y'all real quick. Is it G-U-A-N? Is that Juan, maybe? Mr. Juan Ching, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Bro, it's late. I love your streams. I'll see you. Hey, I'll see you later, man. Have a good one. Thanks for coming in the stream, Exotic. Kappa. Also, imagine if somehow we managed to get X. That'd be pretty cool if we could maybe get to Mars or even somewhere farther. That'd be crazy. But the closest star is very, very, very far away. What's your favorite celestial event? Gotta be a solar eclipse. I mean, nothing. There are very little human experiences that can even compare to a solar eclipse, let alone like space event. Solar eclipse is probably one of the coolest things you could possibly see in your lifetime. Closest star is the sun. Yes, that is true. That is also very true. Thank you for chiming in there. I was just saying the closest star that isn't our sun is very, very far away. All right. Oh, we have a possible transit, everybody. Possible transit. Listen to it. There it is. Possible transit coming in clutch, everybody. Zoom in on the Southern Highlands. Yes, of course. Let's do that before that transit comes in. Look at all that. Oh, did you guys see that bird fly in front of the... Did you guys see that bird? Holy moly. Look at the seeing tonight, guys. This is with a 6-inch scope. The seeing tonight is very calm. I might have to wake up early tomorrow and do Saturn. I don't know how many people would be on for a Saturn stream, though. A lot of the what is it? The European countries, definitely European and Russia and all the other side of the world, they would be up, but sadly the U.S. and Eastern or Western countries would not. Zoom in on my favorite part of the moon. I will do that as soon as we confirm that this plane will not transit. Let's check again. We have 114 seconds. Oh, we could zoom in on my favorite part of the moon. Let's see. Currently, if I had to take a stab at it, I were to get a good angle on the moon, I'd probably pinch us right about... Probably pinch us... I always love looking at the seas, how they touch each other like that. That's always fun to look at. All right, Genesis, I'll see you later. Thanks for coming in the stream tonight. Have a good one. Terminator right here is always very, very active. Trying to see if that plane's anywhere near. No, we got time. We got about like a minute. That's a nice... Oh, there's another bird. But this region right here, look at that, guys. That is a very nice one to look at. What is this? American Eagle coming in. Tycho Rays, heck yeah. Alright, I feel like I did miss some chats while I was doing that. So what are we looking at here tonight? The moon is so bright tonight, guys. We might not be able to see any planes fly by. We won't only be able to see direct transits. Because last night we were able to see the moon, or a plane fly like on the edge of the moon. But tonight we've only gotten one silhouetted transit. What do we got? 20 seconds till transit. Where is it? Yeah, just below, just below. There is a flight path coming up in about an hour that I think we're going to intersect, which would be very, very perfect. We were talking about it last night. Please do the sun with my telescope. Yeah, I could do the sun, maybe live stream tomorrow the sun, which would be fun. Let's see. Point a telescope into a microscope. Oof. Might explode. Trying to catch up on chat here. What's your favorite planet, Kappa? My favorite planet. Oh, to image? Now, are you talking about my favorite planet to take a picture of, or my favorite planet to look at, or just kind of like in general, like my favorite planet because Saturn has rings, or my favorite planet because Mercury is the closest? What are we going at? We're talking about favorite planet in general or favorite planet to image. 2 nights ago, I almost captured a transat of a Falcon 9. Whoa! I have always wanted to watch a rocket launch. Astro is online. That is really cool. A couple nights ago, actually, I was sitting... What was I doing? I was sitting in my yard trying to get my smart telescope, my Seastar. I was trying to get it locked onto the Andromeda Galaxy, and I look over to my left, and I see a, like you were just saying, a starship doing a second pass, and I watched it exit Earth, and I saw the jellyfish. It was literally the coolest thing to see with I watched it like literally step out of the boundary of the Earth. It was really cool to watch. The only answer is Earth because we live here. Yes, that's true. That's true. But besides Earth, I'm going to go in general. Besides Earth, my favorite planet, I'm going to do favorite planet to image. It's got to be either Jupiter or Saturn. I do love a good Jupiter, early in the morning Jupiter, especially when that Jupiter season comes around. Jupiter's fun to do. And then, I mean, Saturn with the rings. Saturn these next couple of years, for the next like 7 years, is going to have unbelievable ring separation. So Saturn and Jupiter are very equally tied. The only answer, yeah, I was going to take my scope out. I got lazy and watched my dream show happen with my eyes. Yeah, it was really cool to see. I don't doubt that. Bro, the S50 Pro is so sick, been so fun to play with. Yeah, it's actually been really, really cool. I did some lunar, and actually, I'm going to go get it right now. Good idea. I was doing some solar with it today, and I also did some lunar with it today. What Earth-like exoplanet do you think may have life? Oh, I have no idea. I could not tell you. I don't know much about the exoplanets as much as some other people do. But it would be really cool if there was a nice ringed planet that we could go live on. That'd be cool. Maybe see some rings in the sky. Probably wouldn't be the best for astrophotography, but hey, still be cool. Yeah, I'm gonna actually go get my S50 Pro here in a minute. I can't wait for release day tomorrow. Gonna make some awesome things. Cannot wait. Haven't done stars in a while. I don't know. I'm missing Astro Camden. He's usually my guy for that on the East Coast. Ball knowledge. Is this a refractor, achromatic, Newtonian? This. Are you talking side room 37? Are you talking about the scope are you looking at right now? Heck yeah, Astro. Currently, no aircraft aligned with the moon. So unfortunate. I know we're gonna hopefully get some transits later in the night, or in about like an hour or so. Oh, okay. No, I'm saying that's my name in the Ashford. I was waiting for the live stream. Okay, refractor. Yes. Hold on. Let me. I know you have a. You have a red. You have a red roll, right? You have the. Aren't you the one with the purple profile picture? Or am I getting people confused here? Ping me in general. Oh, yep, there you are. I see you. Yep, I recognize that. I see you. Alright guys, I will be right back. I'm going to go get the C-Star S50 Pro and maybe take some test images with it. We're going to see what that telescope has to offer. Oh wait, no I can't. I'm on my phone. Oh, I'm live streaming on my phone. That's unfortunate for the kid. Unfortunate. We're going to have to test the S30 or S50 Pro later in the night. Maybe after I end the live stream. Unfortunate. No, S50 Pro. The S50 Pro is the newest C-Star telescope. It releases tomorrow afternoon. Everybody be ready for the C-Star S50 Pro release. I can only share images that I've taken with it so far, but it is a very nice scope, and I think you guys are going to be excited what it has to offer. Actually, let me drop a line. Champion and Refractor, locking in the chat. Okay, just looking around. Sky is really nice tonight, guys. Clearest night we've had all week. We've been able to do 4 live streams of the Moon and Venus in a row, but sadly there were a little bit of clouds here and there in the last couple ones. But tonight is tonight's glass. I think there's supposed to be some clouds rolling in at around like 12 in the morning, maybe 12, 1, 2, 3 in the morning, but they're gonna clear out. So I might wake up super early in the morning and do Saturn. Celeste, how you doing? Welcome back. Tomorrow, are you showing the sun? If you guys are interested in a early morning Saturn stream, and maybe we can do a sun stream, possibly. Let's take requests. Whatever. I gotta sneeze. Oh, it went away. Do a Saturn live? Yeah. I mean, I can see it. I just watched a satellite disappear into Earth's shadow. That was awesome. I can kind of get a visual of where Earth's shadow is, though, and then I can visualize the moon orbiting into Earth's shadow in a couple days for the lunar eclipse. So freaking cool. Genesis, welcome back. You doing anything for the lunar eclipse? Side room 37. I am gonna have to drive. It is cloudy out. It is gonna be cloudy for the lunar eclipse for me. So I'm gonna have to take a little journey. Drive somewhere to get some clear skies. Gonna possibly do a lunar eclipse live stream for you guys. That'll be awesome. Shoot, yeah, that's I think that sums it up very nicely. Oh, can you guys let me know in the chat if anybody here has gotten any ads yet? I was experimenting with that ad feature. Let me know in the chat. Almost 100K or 100 subs to 100K. What are we at? 752. Yeah, we're about 245 away. Okay, you got an ad? Okay. I don't know really how that works, to be honest with you. I'll see. So it says 9 current viewers, 29 likes, 0 chat revenue. But I think chat revenue is from the super chats. Like if you send a message with like a chat attached or something, or like a gifting a thing. Yes, 1 cent. I just don't want it to be too much. Like if you guys get like 1 ad per stream, that's okay with me. But I don't want to go crazy on it. Because the point of the streams is to look at the moon, connect with the viewers and stuff. I don't want to go crazy. I want you guys chatting as much as possible. And the last thing I want is for a transit to happen and you guys miss it. That'd be unfortunate. Okay, any planes in the vicinity? 0 right now, zero at the moment. But that flight path is coming up here in about 30-ish minutes. Maybe 30, 40 minutes. So if we can get a nice flight path that we did last night, we should be able to get some plane transits later in the night. What scope is this? This is the Celestron 6SE telescope. Whoa, we just hit 30 likes. We got to zoom in the moon for that. Didn't even catch that. Let's get some zooms for the 30 likes, guys. We've had, how many views so far on the stream tonight? We've had 340 views, possibly 340 people come in, say hi to us, or just check out what we're doing. Looking at the moon right now. Doing cool things. Oh. Drop your comments and questions in the chat. Love to chat with you guys about it. Space and crap. And such. Space and such. Okay, Celestron Evolution 6. Let me give that a quick Celestron Evolution 6. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so it's just attached to a okay, that's actually pretty much the exact same thing, isn't it? What is, oh, is this this has the star sense, doesn't it? This is the next star. This has, isn't that what it's called, star sense? Yeah, they're 6-inch SCTs. I don't really know. I guess the mount's the only thing that's different. I'm guessing the optics and everything's the same. Can I do Mars? Sadly, I cannot. Mars is below the horizon right now. Mars rises around like 3 to 4 in the morning and gets about its peak before the sunrise at like 5 in the morning. When is the full moon supposed to show? The full moon is happening exactly at the exact same time as the lunar eclipse. So all lunar eclipses happen on a full moon because that's just what they do. Solar eclipses happen on a new moon. Lunar eclipses happen on a full moon. And it will be happening in a couple days. It's like 3-ish days right about now. So 3 days to the total lunar eclipse. Not total. It's 96% lunar eclipse. All right, Genesis, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for coming into the stream. Yeah, computer has miles different. Yeah, it seems to be very similar. Astro is online. Do you do like Instagram content, or do you do, because you got sent an S50, right? I'll keep my eye out for it. Yeah, if you get any like star tracker app or any Stellarium works very well, you can view all the celestial events happening, which is very nice. And you can see the time they happen, where you're from, your location, and all that fun stuff. Oh, what? Whoa, hold on. You work for Agena? No way. We just did I just did a dang, that's crazy. Okay. I just did a post with you guys on Instagram. Do you run the Instagram? No freaking way. I'm just calling you Nico38. What's going on? Welcome to the stream. How Instagram famous do I need to be before companies give me? I don't know. I don't know. That's out of my control. I can't say for certain. Yeah, not just did. It was about when it was the Venus and Moon occultation thing. But do you run the Instagram account, or is that somebody else? That'd be so cool if you did it. Or what? Like, do you do like shipping maybe there or something? I don't know the fulfillment stuff. No, I don't run the IG. I'm creative producer. Okay. So creative producer for Agena Astro. That is so cool. What do you like website stuff, I'm guessing? Let me get on the website here. Yeah, that is so cool, dude. That's like, it's like really awesome. Creative. Okay, so you might do like website stuff. That's cool. Oh, I think I had my volume down for the transit finder. Okay, we don't have any right now. That's sick though. Let me go back to chat. Can you run the sun? Sadly, the sun is below the horizon. We're only looking at the moon right now. But I might do a sun stream, though. If you guys want to do a solar stream tomorrow, we can do this telescope does hook up to... It's the only thing, it's like really, really hot. It's got like 90 degrees tomorrow. But I might have to bear through it for the live stream. Laura's Gaming, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. We're looking at the moon tonight with a telescope. I'm not sure if you saw my chat earlier. I did see that photo though, dude. That is so amazing. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, y'all, whoever, I'm not sure who does the social media there, but they reach out to me and they're like, hey, we want to do that, post you. Or they want to post with you or something like that. I'm not sure if you saw my chat earlier, but I said I DM'd you on Instagram. I have something like to say. Sure. Let me go see. I do get a decent amount of requests, so I don't look at all of them if I'm being honest with you. But yeah, if we could do a solar stream tomorrow, that'd be sick. Maybe if I could find some shade in the 90-degree heat. 31 likes on the stream. 31 likes. All right, my Wi-Fi is just dog right now. Do you think I could? No, I don't. That'd probably end the stream. I don't want to do that. Dang it. Will the thrill. Okay. If Instagram loads, I'll check that. Or if you want to just, like, tell me what it's about in the chat. What's up, Kenny? I still need to process your Andromeda. Julia, how are you doing? I don't recognize you. Are you in the Biscuit server? Plane just flew under the moon. We didn't even get notified for that one. I was really far away. I can imagine at a certain following it's... Yeah, I mean, it's not impossible. I just sometimes I view them, and then sometimes... there's some, like, spammy stuff, but... Kenny, can I have your Andromeda data? Yeah, it's actually in the Biscuit Discord. It is... I have, like, 7 hours on it, though, but you probably need, like, 300 gigabytes to... You probably need, like, 300 gigabytes of data to stack it. Yeah, it's, like... 7 hours. So. Oh, Jude. Oh, hold on. Wait, ping me in general. Oh, wait, I see you. Okay. I'm good with profile pictures, and I'm very bad with names. Especially across platform. If you got, like, see, I got Kenny's Cosmos on all my platforms, but if you're mixing up the names on different places, it can get a little confusing. Yeah, so there's a chat in the Astro Biscuit thing with all of my C-Star data is in there. There's like about an hour of 20-second exposures, and then there's like 6 hours of actual Andromeda data. Oh, we got a plane transit maybe. Hold on now. That one might that one seems to be going underneath the moon. We might miss that one. Okay, I got into Instagram. I am now probably a little bit behind on chat. What are we looking at? Okay, can I imagine? No problem. Whenever you get the chance to check it out, it's fine. I don't want to take up your shirt. Yeah, no worries. I'll look at it in a minute. Is it what was the Instagram you said? If Kenny hits 100K tonight, I'll donate $10. Guys, we have to do this. I need to steal Will's money. I know Will IRL, so I have to take his money. We are currently, let me do some quick math. By quick, I mean manual. 235 subs away from 100,000 subs. But yeah, if you guys... Okay, Logan, okay, perfect. If Kenny hits 100K tonight, I'll do nothing. Hey, all that matters is we're in the stream enjoying the moon tonight, guys. If you hit 1 mil tonight, I'll donate $100,000. Dude, that's a scary thing to think of, though, because I could probably... No, there's no way I could hit 1 mil tonight. There's no way. Mr. Lease. Okay, so Refractor and Juju, if you like, I can ping you in the thing. So is it No, it's not Refractor, is it? Wait, at Juju. Okay, I pinged Ziggy in my data set if you wanted that. Does it cost 100K to buy 900,000? Yeah, see, that's the thing. If it cost like $10,000 to buy 1,000,000 subs from a bot, like a thing like that, then hey, that's free 90 grand. Yeah, that's crazy. But no, we're definitely not buying those subs. We're gonna ruin my analytics. We'll only do the real stuff here, guys. Okay, looks like I'm hitting my goal tomorrow. Yeah, it possibly will, possibly. If we get lucky tonight, I have a thing. It's projected to be at like 3 a.m. So if you want to stay up with me, Will, we could, you know, we could stay up and watch Kenny hit 100K. You know, childhood dream and all, but whatever. What just went across? It probably was a bird. Oh, Will, we got a plane transit earlier in the night. I'll send you the clip. It was really cool. I'll send you the clip. It was like 15 minutes into stream. I also set up ads, Will, so maybe like you might get an ad on the stream, which is interesting. I don't know how that worked. AI says that 15 is. I mean, hey, that's profit for me. Refractor, what is your Discord? I'm gonna actually try and ping you. So yeah, I think it was you wanted the data as well, was it? Or am I mistaken? Apochromatic. Okay, let me ping that real quick. I'm pinging y'all in the chat, so... Okay, I just pinged both of you guys in the chat if you want to mess with that data. I think there's probably... It's either... I don't know how much it is. I think it's around... If I had to guess, I know it's above 6 hours. It might be like 8 plus. I'm not sure. Yeah, of course. No problem for the ping. I got you. It looks... Oh, I can look at my requests on... Oh, Logan. Okay. Yeah, if you want to follow up, Logan, if you're still in the chat, let me know. I'm not sure if Logan's still in the chat. Astro is online. Gonna subscribe on my alts. Oh my goodness. No, you're good, Refractor. I'll keep an OG with you. Keep it a buck. Kenner, when are we going fishing? Bro, whenever you freaking come to my house. Oh, wait, we could have met, though, that one time. My layover, but you, like, slept in, and it was, like, a whole thing. Now you're getting doxxed online, so... That's unfortunate. I had a layover, and you were 40 minutes from me, but then you kind of didn't come see me, but it's okay. MCH, what is going on? Oh, what's going on, Tex? Okay, Logan, is it, right? Logan? I got your message. If you could follow up in that chat. Okay. Yo, Hackseller wants to send me an Instagram message. Let's go. I'm reading this again. Hold on, make sure I read it all correctly. Yeah, if you could expand on that, Logan, let me know what you got in mind. If you could tell me more about that, that'd be so cool. Thanks. I'll get to that if you want to let me know when you type that up. Take your time. Okay, dropping the chats. What do we got? We're almost at 40 likes, guys. Oh, we just had a big jump in subscribers. 773. So that's what? 230 left, guys. 230 left, and we're at 100,000. Jeez. Whoa, a lot of chats I missed. Yes, lol, sick, cool. King Jefferson, hey, welcome. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you coming. Kenny, can you recenter the moon? Yeah, I was just at a cool angle, but if you guys want to, I'll take. Hey, anywhere you guys want to go on the moon, let me know. I'll put it anywhere for you guys. We can zoom in on some spots. Look at the moon tonight. Anywhere you want to go, pretty much. Okay, chat. I'm almost at 150 Instagram followers. Let's go. Congrats 150 on the gram. Finally, I got a phone adapter for my birthday. Let's go for your telescope. That's actually what I'm using right now. That's sick, man. That is so cool. The phone adapters are really cool. I'm actually lucky enough to be able to use one and do these live streams for you guys. Okay, Kenny, my live sub counter says you're at 99787. I am not. I'm at 99774. I've got the one on the actual YouTube dashboard. I think the one, like, the way YouTube does it now, they only update by 100. So these, like, guessing, the ones that say they know your live count, they guess until you actually hit the milestone. So, just nerded out there, but it's like, you need one. Yeah, they're pretty handy to, even just for, like, quick, like, I mean, you guys saw what Venus looked like. I'm sure if you added, like, a Barlow to that, it'd still look pretty neat. Currently, we're like 200 subs away, so might be like a couple hours before we get them. Predicted to have it at like 3 a.m. The thing said, so. But yeah. Yeah, any of those Refractor and Ziggy, that file, it should be up at the top, and it is just a Google Drive link, and I've updated it with all the files. So there are thousands in there if you want to dabble and look at all that data. Any transits yet? Yeah, we actually got one literally 15 minutes into the stream. We got a transit 15 minutes into the stream. It flew right over the North Pole of the moon. It was so cool to watch. But in about like another 30 minutes, we might be in line with a flight path that was really, really active last night. So we could get a lot of transits tonight. I was really excited to have the possibility at getting some tonight. Do a different one, King Life. What? Do a different what? What you thinking? Do a different angle on the moon, maybe? Just got another ad if you're curious. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. I don't want to like take up too much time. I mean, if we're just sitting here chatting, I don't mind. But I don't want to take up like, I don't want to have like boring ads. And I'm not big on, as much as I hate ads on regular YouTube videos, like personally watching them. But yeah. All right, Logan, I'll check that in 1 second. I appreciate you. We've had 440 people come into the stream tonight. I appreciate all you guys. All right, 225 subscribers left. We can do this, guys. 225 subs. Like, I remember... That's crazy. Will, are you still on the stream, Will? Any planes? We just had that one. There might be a satellite that's actually about to fly in front of the moon. And it seems to be disappearing into Earth's shadow. Unfortunate. And it disappeared. Can we see a galaxy or Jupiter? Jupiter is actually below the horizon right now. So sadly, no Jupiter. And unfortunately, the light pollution where I'm from, and because of the full moon, the galaxy would be too dim to pick up on the phone. But I am going to set up a smart telescope tonight and hopefully get some detail in some galaxies. I'm also working on a very detailed galaxy photo with the closest galaxy to our Milky Way galaxy, the Andromeda galaxy. So I am put probably 8 hours into that photo. So that photo will be releasing on my Instagram soon. That'll be a super, super cool one to have. A lot of integration with a smart telescope on Andromeda. I feel like we're gonna get another Milky Way shot tonight. Ooh, okay. I got a Milky Way the other night too. I've only put like 6 minutes into it though. Yeah, as far as the ads, I don't want to like overload it, but I think I can insert one or delay them. I don't know when they pop up though, I'm being honest with you. I don't really know how that works. No worries, man. Check it. Yeah, I'll actually check it right now. Wasn't sure if you went back to our quest. No. I'll check it right now. I'll look at it. Here in a sec. I look at their quests sometimes though, but sometimes they're just like random like things. Okay, I'm reading it right now. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I appreciate you thinking of me, Logan. Appreciate that. We'll look into that more. Is that a plane? Nah, mine's playing tricks on me. I'll look into that in a little bit. Sounds interesting. I'm not like shoving you off here, like saying no, but that sounds really interesting. I don't do many. I don't do a lot of projects other than my own, if that makes sense. But I'd definitely be interested in making like a video if you need that. Gustavo, welcome to the stream. How you doing, man? Welcome. Appreciate you coming in here. No, I didn't read it on stream. I got you. Christian, hey, I appreciate you subscribing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. We're closing in on 100,000. Hi, love from India. Oh, what's going on? Welcome from India. Yeah, that sounds good, Logan. I like I said, I stay quite focused on my own projects, if that makes sense. Oh, I do actually have something. I do want to run by you, if that real quick. How does, I don't know if you know this, but you did get the S50. I am like really trying to get a solar telescope, right? Like so hard, and I know the potential that I can create with it. I reached out to Lunt, and then I think what was it, Skywatcher maybe? I was just wondering if, like, how do I say this? Agena would be interested in maybe like working, because oh, look at that, check out that bird that just flew in front of the moon. Did you guys see that? Yeah, a solar telescope. That is what I'm saying. And it's like I can only do astro at night, but then I can do it during the day and look at all the stuff that's happening on the moon, right? So I don't know how. I was messaging the social media manager on Agena, I think, and then I sent them an email. But I was wondering if you guys do like partnerships like that. I'm not sure. I would be very interested in maybe working something out with a solar telescope, possibly. Yes, literally the exact same thing. Set up the smart telescope with the white light, boom, some freaking hydrogen alpha in front of you. I mean, I know the potential for content and everything, and I'd love to like work with like Agena or something if we could possibly. I don't know if that's your wheelhouse, but I don't know. It was just a thought I had. I was trying to reach out to Lunt and Skywatcher, like I said, but there's like a whole they do partnerships differently, I guess. I'm not sure. Christian, we are currently looking at the moon, Earth's moon right now. We can actually zoom out and see the whole thing. Look at that. That's Earth's moon. We're chasing transits. So right now we're waiting for airplanes to fly in front of the moon. We actually got one earlier, 15 minutes into the stream. We were able to catch an airplane fly directly in front of the moon. It was really cool to watch. I suggest you go check it out. Yeah, drop some hearts in the chats, everybody. I see you guys. Danny, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. New face here. This telescope is the Celestron 6 SE, and it is just above $1,000. It is automatically controlled, so as you can see, the moon is staying directly in the center of the screen, and I don't even have to touch it. It tracks everything in the night sky for me, and it knows pretty much everything in the night sky, so it's a very wonderful little telescope. Yeah, I don't know how the third-party partnerships work. I know, what's his name? I know his name. Dang it, poor guy. Oh, jeez, what's his name? The Dylan O'Donnell. There we go. I know he has like a thing with High Point Scientific. I don't know. I just think it'd be cool to dabble. I'm not sure how the third-party stuff works, but it would be cool to get a solar telescope and make insane content on that. Good to see you aren't watching your neighbors tonight. Yeah, we're just looking at the moon, you know, chilling. Christian, you're a really big fan. Hey, I appreciate that. I appreciate you coming in the stream and supporting and chatting away. I really appreciate it. We're so close to 50 likes, guys. We've been streaming for almost an hour now. We're closing in on 100,000 subscribers total and 50 likes on the stream. Make sure to drop a thumbs up on the stream. That'd be so cool. That'd be really awesome, man. I really appreciate that. And it's your first time in the stream? Oh, heck yeah. Well, welcome, man. Welcome. Hopefully we can get a nice airplane transit here in about 30 minutes. Anything visible other than the moon? We got some stars. I can't look at the ones directly above because the way the phone mount is. We don't want to break that. And the moon is washing out the Milky Way, and there seems to be a thin layer. I think that thin layer of clouds I was talking about earlier is on its way. Looks like it's about 45 minutes out. Yeah, thank you guys for coming to the stream. And Logan... Wait, no, Landon. No, Logan. Logan, I appreciate that, man. I really appreciate you coming in the stream, too. Okay, I'm on your Instagram right now, Logan. I like that lunar eclipse. Looking tough. See, very nice. I am either gonna do one of two things for this eclipse. Either I'm gonna go nice and soft in like soft red, like fade from white to like dark red, like you did in this one. That's kind of what I did for the last one. I don't know if you guys know that image. The eclipse in March. I kind of went for a really natural look in that eclipse. But this one, I'm thinking about like really boosting the layers of colors as the light gets reflected in Earth's atmosphere. I'm really thinking about pushing the colors on this one and really really saturating those colors to show you kind of like what's there and all. This one for this eclipse. So that's kind of the plan for this eclipse. Of course, man, I appreciate you and your work is really... Hey, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate you liking the images. I really do. Okay, any transits coming up? I haven't gotten a notification. None yet, guys. None yet. You're probably my favorite YouTuber. Oh, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that, Christian. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna test something real quick, guys. If I press insert ad. Oh, shoot, it automatically did it. So it automatically does it. Okay. Oh, I can turn on manual, I guess. Okay. Just testing this out, guys. Sanu, welcome to the stream. Thank you for joining. What's going on? We're looking at the moon tonight. Earth's moon through a telescope. Let me know if you got any questions. Okay. Yeah, I for a while now, I've really, for like pretty much the past 2 to 3 months, I've been really like content driven on solar, but like white light just doesn't cut it, you know, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. Really gotta expand my horizons, and I've been looking for fun ways to do that. And I know the content is there. And the demand is there, if you know what I'm saying. Everyone liking to subscribe to him. Yes, listen to Christian, guys. How far are we at now? What are we at? 215 subscribers left, guys. 215 subscribers left, and we are going to reach our goal of 100,000 here on YouTube. Let's get a zoom in onto the moon. Look at that, guys. Mario, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Okay. Okay. How are you guys doing tonight? $215 subs left, guys. Share with your friends. Anybody that's interested in space, share with your friends. I mean, we're just looking at the moon tonight. Waiting for some planes to transit the moon. Drop some hearts in the chat. Drop some hearts. There we go. Oh, had to sneeze. Holy. Wish you good luck to reach your goal. I appreciate that, Christian. Thanks for coming in and chatting with us. Oh, we got 5 viewers in here. Oh, yikes. 7 now, 7 viewers. How you guys doing? Welcome to the stream. Okay, there we go. I saw some subscribers come in there, guys. I appreciate you. Where's everybody from tonight? What are you using, Track and Trans? I have a website that I made, and then I'm also using like some public website that somebody else made. Your vids are helping me. Hey, I appreciate that. Trying to get everybody interested in space, right? Los Angeles, let's go. Big Cali. I was just in, not just, I guess I could say, but I did take a trip to California recently with you might know him, AJ Smotty. France, whoa. That is so cool. Welcome from France. From the USA, hey, welcome. Welcome from the USA. I know we've had a lot of different countries come and view us these past couple of nights, which is really awesome to see. Reaching the globe. Okay. Hello, everybody. Yeah, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, I went to California for the last lunar eclipse. Oh, wait, no, Los Angeles. Oh my gosh, that's Nevada, right? Wait, no, hold on. You see, I need to I've been trying to do good at geography. Nope, Las Vegas is in Nevada. Los Angeles is in California. Okay, I was right. Yeah, me and AJ went to knocked the tripod. Me and AJ went to California for the 2026 March lunar eclipse, which is pretty awesome. Oh, Guatemala. Let's go. Oh, my videos are helping you learn about space from the US. That's so cool. I'm glad to hear that. Welcome from Guatemala. That is awesome. Guatemala car bar. That is sick. About to go to Bordeaux 1 this weekend. My coworkers probably. Oh, that is so cool. Wait, this weekend? Wait, okay, so that's a week. Can I book a flight? How much are flights to Joshua Tree? I was literally just saying this. I want to bring the S50 out there. I was literally just saying this like yesterday. I want to bring the S50 out west. Like, I was talking about this yesterday. What website am I trying to go to right now? Oh. Where would I fly into from there? What are we thinking? No, people are leaving. Ah, it's okay. We'll get some more in here soon. No worries. I was just saying I want to take the S50 out dark this week. Or soon, I guess. Actually. Ah, yes, full moon. This is true. This is true. Okay, September 5th. September 5th. Perfect. That gives me time. That gives me time. So, wait. Can you fly into Joshua Tree? Is it? I'm guessing you'd. Oh wait, Palm Springs. Okay, Palm Springs. That is where we image the eclipse. I know Joshua Tree, Palm Springs, and they're all like right next to it. They're all like within like an hour and a half of each other, aren't they? Because we flew into San Diego for ours. Okay, September. We're gonna do 3rd to 6th. Maybe that sound good. Starting 5th grade. Holy moly! Congratulations. Glad I can teach you about space. Sanu, I'm from the East Coast of the United States. Okay, that is so cool. New moon, that's perfect. They're all neighbors were technically. Okay, so if I go with y'all, I mean, that is so sick. Okay, hold on. This might be coming full circle here. This plan that I wanted. Oh, let me move the moon here for y'all. I was literally just talking about this. I'm not even joking. Yesterday. Wait, 2 days ago. $500 for a ticket. Ooh, if I fly in the 5th though, it's $400. Why does that make sense? When would you guys go? Well, if I do 4th to 6th. Oh, learning the piano. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Dang, $500? Is that like 2 weeks out and they're still 2-3 weeks out and they're still $500? Good night. What if I come in on the 5th and leave on the 6th? No, that's sketchy. What about if I leave on the 6th? 4 to 6? It sucks because we're limited to weekends with his schedule. I see. Okay, so hear me out. That would be sick if I can do that. I really wanted to do that. And I also did just get a nice new DSLR too. So I really, really would like to do that. Hold on. Guys, 10 more subscribers till we're at 200 left, and then we hit 100K. 10 more. We're at 790 right now. Okay, plane tickets are like 500, so that is sketchy. What else we got? If I come in the 5th and leave the 8th, that's easy. Wait, no, you guys do weekends, so it'd have to be 4 to 6, right? 520 for a ticket, so that'd be like $570 for a ticket. Fudge. Oh, I'm getting tired, y'all. What if I do that one? Would I fly into Palm Springs is the question? Or would I do like LA or something? Because you guys just said you're in LA, so. Champion, thank you for coming into the stream tonight. Good luck on 100K subs. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much. Oh, that's $700. We are not doing that. Holy crap. Los Angeles, LAX, Cali. The moon is drifting away from us, guys. When's the next transit? Not sure. We haven't had one in a while, but the moon is coming up on a flight path that runs south to north, so we might be able to catch some intercepting that flight path here in a minute. Whoa, that's the price I'm talking. $300. Oh, but that's a weird. What is that? Who is that? Frontier Airlines. Who is that? Do I know them? Frontier Airlines. I've never heard of them before. When's the next stream? Next stream is probably maybe tomorrow if we're lucky. Maybe we might do a solar stream tomorrow. Look at the sun. Might be better to wait until an all-night imaging session. Yeah, I was looking for the new moon though, like you said, that the 5th. I also have to book. We have to plan for the total solar eclipse in Egypt as well. Okay, so plane ticket from here. Can you do a Saturn stream if you can? That would be a Saturn stream would be in 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no, wait. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'd be in like 7 hours. I'd have to sleep and then come back in the stream. But hey, maybe we can make it work. Dang, $500 for tickets already this far. What the heck? What the heck? It's like a month out, isn't it? If you saw my prior message, but we tend to only stay for... Oh, okay, I see. I thought you stayed for the whole weekend. Okay, yeah, I guess that would be an unfortunate trip then for me to come to. But that is in the works, though. I do want to head out west with the S50 soon. Like, very, very soon. While we're still, like, all about it, you know? How am I doing tonight? I'm doing very good. Welcome to the stream. Max, what's going on? Welcome to the stream. How are you guys doing tonight? We're just checking out the moon tonight, guys. Looking at the moon, talking about space. What time is it going to start tomorrow? Because I'm not sure if we're going to do a Saturn stream tomorrow. I might just wake up to image it, take a picture of it to put on, or just like to take a picture and put on Instagram. But if I even do one, it would be 5 a.m. my time, 5 a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, eventually I want to spend longer trips there. My car just won't make it. Is it a dirt road, like a flat dirt road, or is it a dirt road up a mountain? Oh wait, no, it's gotta be flat. It's freaking LA. What am I saying? I'm not a Christian. I don't know if I'm doing that stream. I'm just saying that's when it would be. Jackie, what is going on? Any stars tonight? There are a lot of stars above me tonight. A thin layer of clouds is coming in though, so we're gonna probably just keep on the moon, looking at the moon tonight. But I am taking. If you want to zoom into a certain part of the moon, I'll zoom in. Yeah, sadly no planets at my location right now. Only the moon is up right now. We were looking at Venus earlier, and then we did catch we caught a plane flying in front of the moon, which was really awesome to look at. We caught that about 15 minutes in the stream, and we are currently waiting for the flight path to align with the moon right now so we can catch even more transits. Yeah, do you want me to go on the North Pole or South Pole, Jackie? It's up to you. Get the 2X Barlow. Good idea. Also, it's just straight up land. There's no structures other than telescope here. Wow, that's sick. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I heard it's. Because I've never seen the Milky Way with my eyes before, so that is definitely something I'm going to do, and I really want to take the new DSLR and the new S50 out there ASAP. Definitely in September. Definitely in September. What kind of telescope do you have? I am currently using the Celestron 6 SE telescope. Jackie, we're going to zoom in on the south pole of the moon. I'm going to zoom in on Tycho crater for you there. Oh, wow. Look at all those craters on the Terminator line. Holy moly. Look at that, guys. Look at those eject rays coming from the Tycho crater. Isn't that insane? Look how cool that is. I might actually, are any of you guys on Facebook or Instagram? This telescope is, I might do a Instagram and Facebook live stream here soon. I've never done a Facebook live before. I want to see how that would work. How much is this worth? This telescope is worth, it is 1,000, it's just over 1,000 US dollars. Fourth night in a row for Tycho. Yeah, I mean, look at us go. Clear skies over here, guys. Holy moly. How do stars look? Stars kind of look just like a pinpoint of light, really. You can't really see, obviously, the structure of the star itself because they're just so far away. But we were looking at Venus earlier, and we got to see Venus through the telescope. And I'm, in about a month, we're going to do some Saturn live streams when it is available to see after sunset. Technically look outside the galaxy. Oh, I saw it for the first time. It was like, yeah, I mean, I honestly just cannot wait. I really, really want to go do it. It is probably going to happen next month, though. September. Currently no flights at the moment, though, for transits. But yeah, I might, stream's a little slow tonight. I might go and see if Facebook and Instagram live, would be something, to do. Just to test out. I'm still in this, testing phase of streaming, so yeah, we'll go to Copernicus. It is right over. Oh, dude, the moon looks insane tonight, guys. It looks just so good tonight. Look at that. Copernicus off to a little bit in the center there. Look how cool that looks tonight, guys. I was messing with OBS today. Yeah, I was getting into the whole thing. I was messing with OBS different streaming stuff. We're working on it slowly. Yeah, I would really like to do them all at once. That'd be really awesome. Any transits? Nope, not yet. We still need to wait for those south to north airlines to start coming in. Yeah, it is a lot. It's a whole thing, especially when you're trying to... Because the only way to live stream like this is to put the phone up to the thing. So I have to figure out how to get the phone cross-platform streaming. So it's tricky. But we'll figure it out. Let me see. Let me Google. Can I live stream to Facebook and Instagram at the same time? Oh, yeah. See, so it's got to be third party. I wish Meta had a thing where you can do both at once. That'd be so cool. Zuck's got to get on that. Yeah, that thin layer of clouds is currently on top of me right now. It's giving a little haze to the moon if we zoom out here. You can kind of see it. Hold on now. Let me, what am I trying to do? Okay. Bear with me. Yeah, that's good right there. Okay. Yeah, so I can do a planetary cam and OBS anytime soon on stream. Live astrophotography would be so cool. So I can do a live, I can do an OBS and then share my screen and then do live astrophotography there, and we can have like a webcam and we could talk to you guys. It'd be a cool thing. That would be very neat. Yeah, I'd be very open to that if you guys would like that. Do I know who Brandon Davis is? I do not. He covers comic book pop culture. I do not know who Brandon Davis is. Brandon Davis. Says this musician guy. Comic books. 200K on YouTube or on Instagram. Oh, that's cool. Oh, he met Henry Cavill, I think is his name. Neat. I do not know Brandon Davis though. What do you think of the Interstellar movie? Very good movie. Probably second favorite space movie of all time. Max Vincent, welcome to the stream. How you doing? What's going on? I sound just like him. Oh, that's pretty cool. Have to check out some of his stuff. Do you believe that something like that will happen in the future? Interstellar? Hey, I don't know. Only the future, only time will tell. Who knows? Who knows? What's your first favorite movie? Project Hail Mary has taken the first place spot. That movie was unbelievable. That was such an insane movie. Favorite space movie? Yeah, definitely Project Hail Mary. That movie was so good. It's just so good. Oh, sick. Interstellar is what made you to study astrophysics? Astrophysics? That is so cool. PMJ is tied. Project. I'm guessing that's Project Hail Mary is tied with Interstellar. Yeah, I mean they're both very good. It's just Interstellar. I mean Project Hail Mary is just so good, so good. All right, guys, might end the stream here in a minute. We're gonna go over stream on Facebook, test some social media things out. I'm glad everybody was able to join though. If you guys are on Facebook though, you can come and join the live stream over there at Kenny's Cosmos. Bob Laser? I don't know who that is. Currently, no planes. Oh, shoot. Hold on. We might have to... Oh, that plane is moving. Holy crap, that one's not going to transit. But you might have another one coming in. A separation of 0.5 degrees. That one has a chance. Okay, that was a... That one was just flew past. That was in separation. Oh, we might have one, guys. Hold on. There might be one coming up right here. There are currently... There's 4 planes. Wait, no, 3. 3 planes in the vicinity. We might have a transit, guys. Get ready, get ready. No, it seems to be it's going to fly just above the moon. No. No, so close. Hold on. Ah. Dang. Just missed it, but we are getting a little bit of action, though. We just missed it. It was about like a degree above the moon. So that's a little unfortunate. That's cool, though. Okay, what else do we got? A little read chat real quick. But yeah, I might go stream on Facebook here in a minute. So if you guys are on Facebook, it's at Kenny's Cosmos. I have a Facebook page. So you guys can come join the live stream on there if you want to do that. He said he worked in Area 51. Oh, wow, that's really interesting. What's going on? Is it Refractor? I'm pretty sure that with that profile picture. I think so. But yeah, I might go. Oh yeah. Logan. Thank you for coming in the chat. 100%, man. If you want me to, if I'm available to film a video for your thing, I would be open to that. That'd be very cool. And if Agena would possibly be interested in doing something solar-wise, I would be interested in that as well. So thank you for coming on the stream. Santiago, what is going on? How you doing? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go stream on Facebook, guys. I appreciate you all coming in the stream. We're closing. What's our subs at? Oh, we are 1 subscriber away from 99,800. So we can get there before we end stream, guys. I know we can. We're 1 subscriber away from being 200 away from 100K. Holy moly. What a tongue twister. Genesis, what's going on? We're about to end stream, sadly, here. We're about to go stream on Facebook. So I've never done that before. So let me know if y'all are able to do that. That'd be cool if you guys can transfer over to Facebook. But right now, we're going to go live on Facebook here in a minute. Ah, I lost a subscriber. Ah, it's all right. 2 more to get a 99,800. But yeah, here in a minute, we're going to end stream and go live stream on Facebook. So just letting y'all know. We got 54 likes this stream. Let's go, everybody. I'm not sure how Facebook Live works, but we're going to experiment with it. All right, guys, I will get some, if we can get some hearts in the chat, I'm going to go live stream on Facebook. It was awesome, everybody joining tonight. I appreciate you guys joining. I will see you guys on the next live stream. Thank you guys for coming in tonight. Drop some hearts in the chat. We'll see you later.